What's going on, guys? It's your boy Silicone here, back with a new video. And today again, we got the brand new Apple summer silicone cases for the 12, the 12 Pro, and the 12 mini. Unfortunately, Apple didn't drop these for the older devices, only for the 12 models. But today we're gonna take a look at all of them like we always do over here on the channel. And of course, you guys know I will do a giveaway when this video hit 500 likes. And as always, the giveaway rules are super simple. Just make sure you follow me over on Twitter and Instagram, and then just comment down below what color you'd like. Would it be baby blue, or is it baby blue, cloud blue, sunflower yellow, or electric orange? Just let me know which one you'd want down below in the comments. Make sure you leave your username and handle so I could contact you when the video hits 500 likes. So yes guys, now it's the fun part. Let's go ahead and unbox these cases. All right guys, so here we are. We got all the cases lined up right here. Electric orange, sunflower yellow, canopy yellow, and also cloud blue. Right now I'm using my favorite one right here, the copper blue, and unfortunately this thing it got a little dink. I don't know how. I think I dropped it and it scraped. So just know that the durability on these things are iffy. I thought it was good, but now I'm second thinking it. But anyways, let's go ahead and show you guys the first unboxing. As usual, any mini miny mo, catch a puppy by his toe. If you ever let him go, any mini miny now mo. All right, so we're unboxing the yellow first. Let's get it. So unboxing experience, always super easy. You just use this little pull tab that Apple gives you. Boom, that wasn't as easy as I expected. Go ahead and pop it. Ooh, whew, this is clean. We have this little protective film over it. Let's just remove that real quick. Yes, sir. Anybody with a yellow iMac is gonna love this one. So here we have it, guys. This is the sunflower yellow. Really nice. This is screaming summer vibes right here, guys. Take a look at that. Nice. Now we're gonna remove the copper blue, one of my favorites. This is my summer vibe right now. I have the Pacific Blue iPhone, so I'm not sure how good this would look, but let's go ahead and slap it in. Boom, get that nice animation. I probably need to change my wallpaper to match this up, but yeah, this looks really good. And as always, you have the darker color Apple logo on the side. We have the accented power buttons. We also have the accented volume rockers, and a little cutout here for our mute switch, so we could toggle that easily. Down the bottom, we have perfect cutouts. It's from Apple, so you don't have to worry about that. And of course, we have that lip protection just in case we want to put our phone's face down. If you don't use a screen protector like me, you'll be fine, but I always recommend you guys to use a screen protector if you worry about scratching your screen in the first place. Now let's go ahead and look at this baby blue, or cloud blue as Apple calls it. Boxing experience, boom. I think I did that wrong, or did Apple mispackage this? I'm not sure, but this is the cloud blue. Not really a big fan of this one. It might look the best with my Pacific Blue iPhone though, since it's blue. But here we go, this is the cloud blue. Let's go ahead and throw that on. It's definitely gonna look good with the wallpaper. By the way guys, new wallpaper dropping soon. Make sure you stick around for that one. All right, let's go. Boom, you get a nice cloud blue animation because of MagSafe. And if you guys didn't know, all these cases are MagSafe compatible. So if you have any MagSafe accessory, it will easily fit onto it. For example, this MagSafe charger right here, as you guys can see, wow, MagSafe compatible, snaps right onto it. And I haven't used this MagSafe case in a while, but yeah, that's what the MagSafe compatible cases do. And if you didn't know, it has also magnets around the back, which looks really cool. So if I get my magnet paper right here, guys, let me show you real quick. Just hovering over it, you guys can see the magnets form through the back of the cases. And that's what this magnetic paper does. And it's the same thing for the iPhone as well. That's why it snaps on so easily. So as you guys can see, the magnets just align perfectly. And yeah, MagSafe was a really good feature by Apple. You also got that animation because of the MagSafe technology. But taking a look around this case, you have the accented power button as well. Same thing with the volume rockers. It's a little bit darker than the original case. Cutouts right here at the bottom, perfect cutouts. You don't have to worry about it. And of course, you already know we have that nice lip protection whenever you want to put your phone face down. But yeah, overall so far, this is my favorite in terms of it just looking good with the Pacific Blue iPhone. But let's see, we still have one more to look at. All right, now we have the electric orange. See what this one looks like. There we go. Ooh-wee. Yo, I have so much Apple silicone cases. Like, should I do a Apple silicone case collection video? That would be insane, right? But here we go. We have the electric orange, and this doesn't even look orange. This looks more kind of a reddish color. I'm not sure about calling this orange, but you know, Apple does what Apple do. There we go. Inside we have that microfiber that everyone likes, MagSafe ring, and we're supposed to get that nice animation right here. Boom. Yes sir, that's clean. That is clean. There we go. So I'm not really feeling this electric orange on the Pacific Blue, but I'm sure if you had a black or a white phone, this would look insanely good. Looking at the power buttons on the side right here, it's really hard to even show the accent, but you can see it's a little bit darker. Nice lip protection. Looking on the left hand side right here, got the volume rockers, of course. And of course we have the perfect cutout for our lightning charger and the speaker grills and microphones and all that good stuff. And yeah, this video, as usual, you know, it's just an overview showing you guys what these cases would look like before you even buy it. So far, let me know down below in the comments, guys, which one was your favorite? Is it sunflower yellow, electric orange, or cloud blue? My personal favorite is the spring, this one from the spring lineup, which is copper blue. I'm still gonna stick with this one, but for this video, these are the brand new summer cases that Apple just released. And if you guys didn't know, a wallpaper will change the overall look of how your case would fit on your device. So I'm just gonna switch up the wallpapers to show you guys what that looks like as well. Also, all these wallpapers you're about to see is from my wallpaper pack. If you guys missed it, I'll drop a link down below in the description so you guys could check them out for sure. All right, so for the orange one, we're rocking that pitaya wallpaper from my motion wallpaper pack. And of course, already you guys can see the difference, you know, it blends in more. So it's all up to the wallpapers. If you're rocking a blue wallpaper with this, it's not gonna look as good. But as you guys can see, switch up the wallpaper and it blends in more. So whenever you get cases, guys, just make sure you always switch up your wallpaper. Now let's go ahead and look at the blue one. Okay, so as you can see, we got the blue on, the baby blue, and now this wallpaper is from my unreleased pack that's not dropped yet. But as you guys can see, this looks way better than when I had the darker blue wallpaper. So yeah, it's all up to the wallpapers, guys. That's what really like brings off the case. Now let's go ahead and look at the yellow one. Ooh wee, as you can see, when you got that wallpaper, nobody could talk to you, and there we go. So it's like movie magic, guys. Wallpaper changes the game. Let me know what you guys think about that down below in the comments. Alright guys, thanks for making it to the end of today's video. Let me know, drop them down below in the comments, which one was your favorite from this lineup. Do you think Apple should have dropped more cases? I personally do, but we're good for 3 for the summer for now. Hopefully they drop some more, but don't forget to drop those likes and subscribe if you're new. As always, love, peace, and tweaks. Signing out.